Hi there, Peter Vox here. Welcome to another episode of Ask Vox Singing Academy. If you like this channel, please click like and subscribe to keep up with all our videos. If we can help you or someone that you know with their singing or your singing, please check out our links below. We would really love to help you or someone else out with their singing. Today's question is, can I learn to sing just as a hobby? Of course you can. That's what singing is about. Okay, singing is about fun, having fun, learning, feeling good. That's what singing is about. So whether you're a hobby singer or an absolute professional, at Vox Singing Academy, we take on all singers. We want to bring the joy of singing to everyone. So absolutely, if you want to do it as a hobby, that is absolutely no problems at all. On the first lesson at Vox Singing Academy, the singing teacher will always have a little bit of a question and answer session with you, even if you're a hobby singer, just to find out where you're coming from, what you want to do, that you're wanting to do singing lessons as a hobby, genre of music that you like to sing and listen to, what you want to do with your voice. Maybe you want to, write your own songs. Maybe you just want to sing in a choir. Maybe you want to sing better in karaoke or in the shower. So we get a little bit of a run through on those first couple of minutes on the first lesson to get a knowledge of what you would like to achieve out of your singing lessons. And this will also greatly help the teacher out so that we can customize the scales and singing workout for you during the class and also to practice at home as well too. So I hope that answers that question. Yes, you can take singing lessons to do it just as a hobby and just for fun, to sound better in the shower or singing to your pet or in karaoke. And please don't hesitate to contact Vox Singing Academy if we can help you out with your singing. Even if you're just a hobby singer, we'd love to help you out so that you can enjoy singing. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.